Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Sibling Talkies. We had to buy a few things for our home, so we thought of visiting Ikea today.
We are very excited.
Yes. So let's go to Ikea. I'm sure all of you already know about Ikea, or most of you, and it's a great place to shop for any kind of home decor, home furnishings, or anything related to your home. And as you enter, you reach this floor where everything has been displayed perfectly, so you get an idea how things look inside your home. They have all types of room setups to show how things look: kitchen, bathroom, living room, and all these types of rooms. This helps you visualize what can go where. Along with this, they also display the price for that particular setup with individual items, so you know what you need to buy. Like this one is a demo room for a small home office. They set these up so beautifully, and everything used here you can find here inside IKEA, and you can buy it. And before you start looking out for products, you can also grab these paper measuring tapes placed all over IKEA to help with your measurements, and these sheets and pencil to note down where you will be able to pick up the items from when you later go to the warehouse area. A lot of times they reduce prices of things and display it like this. Here's another cute office decor setup. We actually came looking for a sofa also today. They have futons also, which can open up to become bed, and some varieties of covers are also available in case you need a different one. IKEA has a huge selection of kitchen items. So many types of tableware is available, shelves and baskets that you may need. Check out these small nice trolleys. We absolutely loved these ones. Here are some bowls, and these ones at the top, they are made of bamboo, so also great for the planet. And not just small stuff, IKEA also has a range of appliances which has a 5-year warranty also, so that's an add-on. They've placed these interactive screens also at some places to show how the electronics work. This one is for a Wi-Fi speaker. They have a large selection of dressers, and it's always difficult to decide which one to buy. We've come here 2-3 times to buy, but have never been able to decide. Luckily this one was on some discount and we liked it too, so we are buying this. Archana is just noting down the aisle number, and in some time we'll go down to pick this up. Here's some more variety of dressers in case you want something more fancy and good looking, colorful. Closets and almirahs are displayed with a variety of storage options that can be bought along with it. And their bed collection is awesome. So many varieties of it: bed frames, bed boards, they have wooden beds and some iron beds as well, and mattresses. They have bed sheets and bed covers. You can also buy pillows and pillow covers, and they have a huge variety. And everyone loves the kids section. Colors, soft toys, small fun decor stuff. And what attracts is the way that they've set this up. It just looks so wonderful.
A safe, warm welcome back to IKEA. For us at IKEA, the health and safety of our coworkers and customers is our top priority. Let's care for each other by keeping
So once you've made your list, you come to this area to pick up everything that you've seen. Every item displayed above will be available here.
What are you going to take for?
All things are placed according to the sections, so you know which area to go to pick up what. Everything has been divided into their own sections. So this one is kitchen, for example. Here's some indoor decoration for your house. Paintings and wall decorations. And they have a huge selection of carpets and mats also. This section shows you all of those. Overall, it's just such a brilliant experience shopping at IKEA. Reasonable prices, great looking items, everything that you need under one roof, and everything has been very carefully and thoughtfully made, utility wise. In my opinion, if you're looking for items to decorate your house or just some everyday stuff, you should definitely check out IKEA. It's great for newcomers also who are just exploring where to buy from. IKEA is a trusted brand in that sense. At the end, you reach the warehouse where you pick up all your bigger items. So just follow the aisle and bin number you wrote on your sheets. Our dresser is here. We picked up few other small items and we'll just go for the checkout now. In our basement tour video, we told you that we are soon moving to a new walkout apartment and we just wanted to buy some small stuff for there. We'll keep all this stuff there only today, and we'll also give you a tour of that soon. In case you haven't checked out our basement tour video, please see the link in the description. IKEA also has a restaurant inside, and we just thought of trying pizza and some vegetarian hot dog. So friends, we hope you like this video. We are here trying to help you all. Please show us some love by subscribing to our channel and following us on Instagram, and we'll see you soon.